A sleeping pad is often handy to have, but unfortunately most are bulky, hard to carry, and really difficult to store. I have a new inflatable sleeping pad from AGM Camping that is ultralight and fits into a small storage bag. I actually have two right here. This is the green one and this is the blue one. I am eager to try these sleeping pads out today. Here's the storage bag. The bag itself measures about 9 inches by 3.9 inches, and the bag and sleeping bag together only weigh 1.1 pounds, so it's not very heavy at all. This is supposed to be a rapid inflate bag using only your breath. No pump is needed whatsoever. So let's see what happens. Now I'm going to take this out of the bag now. This is the first time I've inflated this type of sleeping pad. So let's go and follow the instructions. Alright, so I'm going to move this one out of the way. And let's open this one up to see what you get initially. I really like this color of blue. It's like a bright sky blue. Alright, so right on the inside, you have your inflatable mattress. So let's lay this on the ground so we can inflate it. Alright, so I'm going to look at the instructions. The instructions are fairly easy. I'm going to unravel this. And here is the instruction manual. It's folded in the thing, so when you unravel it, you're going to find it. Unravel it. As you can see, it is quite long. Now, here is where you put the air in. You do not need a pump for this. All you need to do is about 10 to 15 breaths until it is at the firmness level that you want it at. So I'm going to do that. It might feel a little bit Alright, so here I have it all blown up. It took about 15 breaths. I will say it was a little bit tricky to close it. Just make sure that you can quickly put your hand on it and cover it. Otherwise, you're fine. The material is nylon with waterproof TP lining, and the sleeping pad itself measures 88.9 inches by 27.5. It's fairly long. It's actually quite longer than I thought it would be, which is pretty good. And this would be a great addition to your camping adventure, maybe hiking, something like that. This would definitely be handy to keep in your backpack, maybe even in your car or your bike, just in case. I also think you could use this at the beach and many other places you might take like a nice day trip to. Alright, so we're going to try it out. Caius, why don't you lay on it? He's about 6 and then maybe about 4 feet tall. So, how do you like it?
Yeah, it's pretty comfortable.
It's not super thick, but it certainly provides a lot of comfort, and it's certainly a lot better than sleeping on just a blanket and a pillow. How are you liking it? Is it comfortable? Would you sleep on it?
Yes.
Now, let's see if I can get this back into the bag I'm going to follow the instructions. The instructions on how to fold it back up are in fact in the user manual. So let's get it done. Alright, so what you're going to do is undo the valve so all the air can flow out. Make sure everything starts getting out. I'll have to turn this the other way. Can you help me?
Yes. Will I own my iPad back? Here's the bag.
Alright, so now we're going to fold it hot dog style, so we can do the other side.
Hot dog
Can you
style.
do the other side? Can you do the other side?
Yes.
So now once it's in hot dog style, you can roll it up. Right.
This problem. Oh, got it.
Alright, now that you've gotten to this point, you rolled it up, you can now fold it and then put it back in the bag.
Squeeze it. Give me help. Hard work to get it in there.
Alright,
Tighten it up.
it's all back in the bag now. That was not as bad as I thought it was going to be. You can tighten it up. And now we are done. Alright, so here's a closer look at the manual that comes inside. Here you do have the easy to inflate and deflate instructions and how to clean it. It does have two patches that you just stick on to a place of maybe where it ripped or got punctured. I find this very handy because that's my problem with these type of inflatable mats, is that I get a hole and I don't have anything to do, or I don't have a way to fix it. So this is very handy, and the instructions on how to do and fix this is inside. Alright, so that's a look at the AGM camping sleeping pad. Make sure you check the description for any links, and like this video and subscribe to our channel for more reviews. Thanks for watching!
Bye. I'm gonna take a nap.